Hello everyone and welcome again in a new video tutorial. Today guys, I'm going to show you in this video how you can solve the problem of yellow triangle. This video is different than the previous video because in this case we will only select automatic IP assign. So you might have been trying to use your router IP address as we said before, the same IP address with minimum changement, but it didn't work. So what we will do again, despite if you have Windows 8, Windows 7 or Windows 10, we'll just go to Control Panel and we will look for View by Category and we'll go to Network and Internet and then we'll go to Network and Sharing Center and we will click on our wireless connection and we'll click on Properties. We will go to Internet Protocol version 4 and we'll click on Properties. So make sure that you select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and you click on Properties. So here, since this didn't work, we will just go for Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically. And we will select OK. And we'll just close. And this should solve the problem within few seconds. As you can see, we have been logged out, so we have just to reconnect our internet and it should work. So now that you clicked connect, as you can see, we have internet access. It is identifying and access type internet, so now it should be working. So let's go and check if Google is working. I always use Google for checking if my internet is working because it doesn't require much data or high speed. So we'll check for Albert Einstein. And yeah, so our internet is working now. I hope this video have solved your problem with the yellow triangle. If you are still facing that, please watch the next videos for more solutions. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon.